We are painting 10 different winter scenes using 10 unique ideas. This is the second painting in this series. This is the sketch needed for this painting. Pause the video and sketch it or enjoy watching the painting process. I divided the paper into two parts. The top part is the sky portion where we are going to use wet on wet technique. We are going to paint sun at the left side of the paper. I'm using raw sienna to paint around the sun. We are not going to paint blazing sunlight because it is a winter scenery where the light is dull. I mix raw sienna with the violet color, which is used to paint the other side of the sky. After applying the pigments, tilt the board and allow the colors to blend evenly, which creates a beautiful effect. While using watercolor, be ready to tilt the board upward, downward, left, right, so that the pigments can flow and mix with the colors and create their beautiful effect on its own. As we are using wet on wet technique, be sure to remove any excess water that is collected near the edges of the paper. Here I am using a damp brush to remove all the excess water that is collected near the edges. Next, I covered my finger with a cloth and touched the place where the sun is to be, and also using the same cloth to remove all the excess water that is collected near the tape. Next, I am wetting the bottom portion of the paper. This is the snow ring which is going to reflect the light. I used diluted raw sienna and diluted mixture of violet and raw sienna to paint the snow ring. You can hardly see the colors because this is very light when compared to the sky colors. Also, don't forget to remove all the excess water collected near the tape. This is to avoid any cauliflower effect. To separate the sky from the ring, we draw some dried bushes using a mixture of raw sienna, violet and green. Next, I'm painting people who are doing ice skating. If you want, you can add more and more people to this scene. For simplicity, I added only a couple of people in this picture. You can search in internet to find reference picture for ice skating and add more and more people doing ice skating to this scenery. As the sun is on the left side, the shadow of these two guys should be on the right side. The shadow should be dark when it is nearer to the person, and it should get lighter when it moves away from the person. I added some dry weeds to the picture to make more engagement to this scene. I also added people to this painting to make this picture even more interesting. As I said before, you can add some more people doing ice skating. Don't forget to add shadows for those people. When the people stand right before the sun, their shadow should fall right before them. When the sun is on the left side, and if the people are on the right side, the shadow of those people should be on the right side of the people. This is the idea of creating shadows. If you have any questions, you can write it in the comment section. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.